A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
All right, folks. Today's lineup of court hearings is nothing short of intense. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Our very first case features a sovereign citizen, someone insisting he's not actually a person, but some kind of entity. The judge's reaction to that claim is absolutely priceless, because courts only recognize real people, not made-up identities. From the start, his argument collapses under basic legal principles, leaving everyone watching in disbelief. It feels less like a hearing and more like a performance that doesn't even belong in a courtroom. I'm curious, what do you think of this bizarre spectacle? And if you enjoy these breakdowns, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Let's dive right in.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not an etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
One of the things I genuinely enjoy about this judge is his sharp wit. His sarcasm cuts right through the nonsense, and it's honestly the most effective way to deal with sovereign citizens who refuse to accept reality. You can almost see them unravel when their twisted logic is thrown back in their face. It's equal parts frustrating and hilarious. And this is just the beginning. I'll be posting the second half of this man's hearing tomorrow, and trust me, it only gets more chaotic. But before that, we've got another hearing that takes the absurdity to an entirely new level. This time, another sovereign citizen steps in, and his behavior makes the first guy look tame. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see is wild.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation. I'm
same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let's see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again,
Is he deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the courtroom.
Is he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen?
Can you provide me with the information?
Both.
Now here's where things get tricky. I honestly can't tell if this defendant is pretending to be mentally unstable or if he truly believes the bizarre things he's saying. Maybe it's a bit of both, just like the deputy hinted. At one point, he insists that his name isn't even his name. It's more, as if that somehow changes the outcome of the case. Does he really think the judge will just shrug, say fair enough, and let him walk free? It's baffling. To me, it seems like judges should step in sooner, end these charades right away, or even hold defendants in contempt when it's clear they're not engaging in good faith. At this point, it's more than just nonsense. It's a direct waste of the court's time and an insult to the legal process. What about you? Do you think judges should take a tougher stand on this behavior? Let's head back in.
I think so.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My Honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'm just go ahead and put him on. Y'all take him.
Get up.
Asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the
Hey,
court.
you might want to chill out.
I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything is challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two. Which one's the rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After watching his last performance, I'm convinced this guy isn't just acting. He may genuinely be struggling with serious issues. Most sovereign citizens spin the same recycled arguments, but this man has taken it to another level entirely, almost as if he's auditioning for a bad reality TV show. And here's the real challenge. How do you reason with someone who refuses to recognize the most basic rules of law? The patience of the judge here is remarkable. She could easily have slammed her gavel and ended the back and forth, yet she keeps her composure. Honestly, Zoom hearings only seem to fuel this behavior. These defendants can talk over the judge, ramble about imaginary laws, and avoid the structure of a traditional courtroom. Some even believe that if they simply don't consent to a speeding ticket, it somehow disappears. It's laughable, and yet they continue doubling down, convinced it might work someday. I'll leave it there for now, but tomorrow I'll post the second half of that first hearing, and it's worth watching. In the meantime, let me know in the comments. Are these defendants genuinely unwell, or are they just playing the system? And if you enjoy these kinds of courtroom breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and take care until next time.